buffalo built them.
After all the beautiful things I saw along the way in central USA, I approached the biggest and most spectacular one, from which I expected a lot. I noticed how the energy of nature changes, how the spirit of the cowboy spreads through the vastness. I felt the presence of something big and strong. Maybe it's just the fruit of my imagination, and maybe I was in the womb of Mother Nature. Horses in the corral, hard men on ranches, big pickups with horse trailers, mountains furrowed by rivers, blue skies, and a constant gentle breeze. I immediately thought that this place is really special.
I just entered the National Park, Yellowstone. I don't know where to start. The park is huge. This is National Park, Yellowstone, in western part of Wyoming. It was my dream.
Yellowstone National Park is a vast and iconic American landscape, known for its geothermal features, abundant wildlife, and its status as the world's first national park. It encompasses over 2.2 million acres and is home to the largest concentration of active geysers and hydrothermal features, including Old Faithful.
Silver Lake. Behind me, maybe looks like a sea, but it's not. It's Yellowstone Lake.
The park also boasts the largest high-altitude lake in North America, Yellowstone Lake, and is part of the greater Yellowstone ecosystem, one of the largest nearly intact natural ecosystems in the world.
This is the steam way out point.
The caldera is approximately 45 by 30 miles, 72 by 48 kilometers in size. Yellowstone has over 10,000 hydrothermal features, including geysers, hot springs, mud pots, and fumaroles. The area experiences frequent seismic activity, with 1,000 to 3,000 earthquakes annually.
Wow! I was 2 meters from the wild buffalo.
It is home to the largest concentration of mammals in the lower 48 states, with over 67 species, including bison, elk, grizzly bears, and wolves. The park is a core part of the greater Yellowstone ecosystem, a vast area of wilderness and wildlife habitat. Yellowstone has around 290 waterfalls, including the lower falls of the Yellowstone River, which is 308 feet, 94 meters, tall. This place was the first national park in the United States and is widely considered the first in the world, established in 177.
Hot mud volcano makes you think how fragile we are. But going downhill, you start thinking, oh, is it worth? You know, maybe something above, below, it's not special. But trust me, next scenes you will see, it's amazing, it's worth it. Yeah, I did it. The lower fall, over there is upper falls. waterfalls. Spectacular. I just found this steep, narrow passage. It's gonna bring me on the balcony over there. I hope that I'm gonna have a better perspective of the lower waterfall. Like you can see, it's very steep and dangerous. If you slip, you go down. You are part of the waterfall. But I move like a Green Beret, special forces. I was that when I was a young boy. Right now, I'm just a ex-special forces. What can I say? Yeah, we did it all. Upper, lower, and Crystal Falls. For me, for my opinion, most impressive is Lower Fall. But you need to see them all. Everybody knows that I'm crazy about waterfalls and I'm a waterfall hunter. I saw all major waterfalls of the world, but those two, Upper, Lower, and Crystal in the middle, the same category of, I don't know, Iguazu Falls or Niagara, or even better. They're amazing falls, amazing nature. Crystal Fall in between the two big falls is coming from the rock, from the hole. It's amazing. I think that's it for today. It was today was a good day. I saw like 37% of the park. I will sleep here. This is my 5-star hotel. I will sleep here. In fact, I knew what to expect, but this is something. Good night, everyone.
Good morning, everybody. Oh, it's cold. It's cold outside. Inside, and the car is cold. But can you imagine outside? But night was good. I wasn't attacked by grizzly bears. No, it was good.
Good morning. Every new video I have more rope, more clothing on me. Now I have 2 sleeves and I still feel cold. I didn't have any. Yeah, Raven is saying hi in the morning. I do have nothing bad during the night. It was cold and that's it. No bears, no cougars, no nothing. I'm heading to north of the national park. The scenery is more or less like this. You know, the mountains, pine trees with meadows. This area behind me is closed because of the bears. I can see one buffalo over there, but no bear.
I couldn't help but be amazed at the diversity of this place. Geysers, waterfalls, mountains, rivers, lakes, streams, boiling ponds, forests, grasslands. Everything was together and lived in peace and harmony. I got lost in these expanses without the slightest fear of grizzly bears, which were plentiful here. The waters are clean, clear. Everything exuded health and longevity. I was like Alice in Wonderland.
Wow.
I forgot the rivers and canyons. They were special at every step. I kept running into them. Each one would draw me in and almost never let me out.
What a beautiful canyon. Like here on the picture, you have the same over here. What are you doing? Hmm? Loco. Crazy raven took off this tape of my car. Mummy tree. It's evidence that sometimes long time ago here was a warmer climate. I'm gonna make this hike to clear my mind and continue enjoying this beautiful nature. There are two ways to come here on this part. On this part, no, it's only one way. But to see this waterfall are two ways. The first way is for everybody, and people are just taking that trail, marked trail, and you get on the end of the trail. You get on one platform from where you can see the waterfall. But your distance between that platform and the waterfall is between 100 and 200 meters. So you see tiny waterfalls somewhere far away. So I took that trail, I came to that platform, and I was disappointed. I don't need this. So I came back to the little bridge that crossing this creek, and I followed the creek upstream. It came here. Look. This is interaction with the waterfall, with the water. And that's what I'm looking for. They say it's dangerous because of the bear, because of the cougar and stuff like that, mountain lion. I got my pepper spray, I got my knife. So if that happens, we will see who will be last man standing. But anyways, don't let the fear stand in front of your dreams. And that's it. This is nice, this is good, but if you know Pamukkale in Turkey, this is nothing special. I mean this part, not all the park. This part here, Pamukkale is way better. In Pamukkale you can swim, you can do whatever you want.
Don't let your fears get in the way of your dreams.